How to fix Messenger floating video call not working. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to learn how we can fix your Messenger floating video not working on your device. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe option. So in order to fix that issue, you just need to follow some steps. So what I want you to do is just open the app info of that particular app. After opening up, you just need to scroll down. In here, I want you to first of all give permissions one by one on everything. If you have not allowed this permissions, just make sure to give this permission. Just tap on it and you can see this allow. You just tap on allow and give permissions on all of the things that I'm showing on my screen right now and get back. So the next thing is just scroll down a bit until you see this appear on top option. Just tap on it and allow permissions. That will help you allow to display this app over other apps as well. Just allow this option and get back. And the next thing is very important, allow this picture in picture as well. Just tap on picture in picture and enable this option as well. And just like that, whenever you try to do video call in, let's say you had to open other apps and you had to call at the same time, so you may just turn on this option and you can do both the things at the same time. So therefore, by following these steps, you can fix your video call not working over other apps or display. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.